We have the ability in Excel, if it's ever necessary, to change the height of a row. Now you look at this table and you think, well, all of our rows look just fine height-wise, with the exception maybe here of row 2. Big, tall swatch of blue. Well, we're going to go ahead and we're going to change that. I'm going to move my mouse pointer right here between the 2 and the 3. See that little double-headed arrow? When I hold down my left mouse button, notice that it says height 37.50 or 50 pixels. Now, I hold down my mouse and drag it up, and you see I can change the height of that row. Now, I'm going to take it up. I'm going to go really, really small here. Yeah, maybe even a little bit smaller. So now, rather than a big, tall blue band across the top of my table, it kind of just looks like a nice blue underline. In fact, I'm going to go and make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Just like that. Now, I can also go ahead and make rows taller, make some of them smaller if I want. If you ever find yourself in a situation like this where your row heights seem to be a little bit crazy, don't worry, you can fix it. We're going to go ahead and automatically adjust the row heights so that our text, our data, fits in there properly. To do this, what we need to do is select all of the rows we want to affect. So we're going to select row 3 simply by clicking here at the column left edge where the number 3 is. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and drag down until I make sure that I get all of the rows that I want. And it looks to be 3 through 9. I don't want to adjust 2. I've got 2 the right size. Then I'm going to get my mouse pointer in between a couple of these numbers. 5 and 6 will be fine. It could be any 2. It doesn't matter. I got to get that double-headed arrow again. And when I double click, it automatically adjusted the height of my rows to the optimal height so that our data fits in that row. So you can do it manually, you can do it automatically, and of course we did a whole bunch of them like that, but if I want to just do one, I'm going to select row 5 and double click, and you'll see it does it like that as well. So now you know how to adjust the row heights in Excel.